Welcome to the tutorial for the registration for the French class in Quebec. So you are on the official website of the Quebec government for to learn French. So you can go down a little bit. You select part-time courses. Select part-time course. Select part-time French courses for immigrants. Select applying for admission. You can see all the information that you will need to provide for the French registration. You can go down the page. We will fill out the online application form. You select apply. Now you are on the Arima platform. Bienvenue à Francisation Québec. You must select the first option, cours de français à temps partiel pour les personnes migrantes et canadiennes de naissance. If you have already an account, you can enter your email address and your password and you can sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you must create one. So you will select créer un compte. You must provide an email address. And they will send you a verification code. And you can check the code and I receive. You can copy here, valider le code. After you need to create a password, confirm the password. You select m'inscrire. You can read the condition for the using for your profile in Arima. You can read also the protection about the confidential information. So you can read it, and then if you agree, you can just check the two square and you select suivant. You need to write your first name, your last name first. After it's your first name, if you are male or female, your birth date, the city that you are born, example that you are born in Manila, in the country of Philippines, example, and you have your email address, so you select on suivant. You need to provide your home address here in Canada. So, 133 Rue Beaulieu, country Canada, province Quebec, Quebec G7A6 and 4. That's the home address. You need to provide your cell phone number, téléphone cellulaire. So you need to write your cell phone number. After, click on créer mon profil. And now, congratulations, you have completed your Arima profile with success.